Have you ever wondered what price one pays for love? Enter the enchanting tale of Melusine, a captivating figure from European folklore. Born of a water spirit and a nobleman, Melusine possessed a serpentine lower body that she concealed in human form. Her beauty was unmatched, and when she married the Count of Aquitaine, she made him promise never to invade her privacy. But what would love be without temptation and betrayal? As their lives intertwined, curiosity gnawed at the Count. One fateful day, he discovered her secret. She transformed into a serpent every Saturday, shedding her human skin. Overcome by shock and betrayal, he revealed her truth to the world. Melusine, heartbroken, fled into the depths of the forest, leaving behind her castle and children. Legend says she wept for eternity, her tears creating rivers. To those who catch a glimpse of her in the moonlight, she remains a haunting reminder of love's fragility and the depths of secrecy. Melusine embodies the struggle between desire and the cost of hidden truths, making her a timeless figure in the tapestry of mythology.